Samsung is among the first smartphone makes to launch a foldable phone and in short period of time. The company has managed to launch a few models in the market, clearly revealing that the South Korean giant has big plans for the new category. As per the reports, Samsung is planning to launch 3 foldable smartphones in the market next year, including Galaxy Z Fold 3, Galaxy Z Flip 3, and an affordable model which could be named as Galaxy Z Flip Lite. Now the report adds that to keep the phone's price low, the company has decided to make that LTE only smartphone. This means that it won't have to support for the latest 5G communication technology. This makes sense given that the 5G infrastructure is still under development and is limited to select countries only. The foldable smartphone in question, which carries model number SM-F720F model number, is expected to come powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset, as that is the company's last non-5G flagship grade chipset. It is also the same processor that powered the original Galaxy Z Flip. However, another report making rounds claimed that all the foldable smartphones from Samsung coming in 2021 will have 5G connectivity support, so it's advisable to take this information with a pinch of salt. We expect to get more information about these devices in the coming weeks or months. Meanwhile, Samsung is also working on a 200 megapixel ISO image sensor that could debut with the ZTE Axon 30 Pro smartphone, as per Tipster. The sensor is said to be capable of recording videos in 60K quality and support 4-in-1 and 16-in-1 pixel, bidding to reduce noise and photos. Samsung has already launched Exynos 185nm mobile processor with 5G that supports up to 200 megapixel camera sensor. If you're going to buy the upcoming Z Flip or the upcoming Samsung phones, please make sure to leave a comment below what you like about the Samsung phones, and we will see you in the video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.